Kindly open po your cameras. I'll be waiting for you to open your camera. Okay, thank you. So, for chapter 3, we'll be discussing the string design. Um, in order for us to compensate all the days that we had our suspension, and also some days are affected by asynchronous classes. So, we'll be making a swift or very, di naman siya very fast, but swift, but still comprehensive discussion with regards to chapter 3 and chapter 4 as the remaining topics for our midterm, no? So we will make sure that maabot natin lahat ng discussion, mako-cover po natin lahat ng discussion before the midterm examination by week 9, no? Since today is the start of week 7, no? So for chapter 3, since ganito lang din yung naging setup namin for O1, I'll be discussing the general knowledge that you need to know. Then for the details, I'll be leaving it with you, yung mismong mga specific details and such. So yung general knowledge that I'll be discussing would be very essential for the calculation part of this chapter. Okay po. Okay, for chapter 3, we'll be having drill string design. So, any idea about drill string? Anyone? I'll be getting your index card. Ano ba yung pag sinabing drill string? Anyone? Any volunteer? If walang volunteer, I'll be shuffling your index card and I'll be calling someone. Okay, let's have Cyril. Ano ba si Cyril?
Yes po, sir.
Ano ba pag sinabing drill string?
Ito po yung nakakabit din sa drill bit po. Yung pataas sa taas.
Okay, so basically, based on Cyril's answer, so yun daw yung nakakabit sa drill bit, no? So, drill string sometimes called as drill stem kasi merong mga references. Merong mga references that says that drill string and drill stem are just two the same thing, no? Pero meron naman ding references that these two has two different definition. So, drill string, siya yung mismong part ng ating drilling rig at which siya yung responsible for the drilling itself, no? So siya yung may first hand exposure sa borehole, no? So it includes yung from the drill bit, we have the drill collar, then we have the heavyweight drill pipe, then the drill pipe. So yun po yung composition ng drill string. Or and in order for us to design this drill string, we need to consider several factors. Later on, we'll be discussing the computation part for chapter 3. No, kasi we have already discussed it with O1 last week pa. So technically hindi naman siya behind, but you are one topic behind from O1 since di rin naman kami nakapag-meet last week. Okay, anyways, so in order for us to design a drill string, we have these 4 major steps. No? So first one is to have a well plan, or we need to plan the well. So basically, we need to determine if we are to have a vertical well or if we are to have a deviated well. If it is if we choose deviated, paano yung trajectory po niyo? So later on chapter 6, if I'm not mistaken, that's chapter 6, we'll be discussing directional drilling. No. So doon natin madidiscuss kung ano yung purpose ng directional drilling, para saan po siya. Then we also have the casing points and the hole sizes. No. So for the whole sizes, syempre we need to consider yung ating mga yung size ng ating mga casing na gagamitin. In terms of the conductor casing, surface casing, intermediate casing, and the production casing. Next, we have the BHA design. Pag sinabi natin BHA, it is the bottom hole assembly. So yung bottom hole assembly is from the drill bit papunta doon sa drill collar and the heavyweight drill pipe. Actually, it's more of yung sa mismong bottom hole assembly. No? So yun yung nasa pinakababa. Then, in order for us to select this one, syempre, depende pa rin siya doon sa type ng ating formation, kung siya po ay in terms of the design or in terms of the design calculation that we need to consider. So, nakabase po siya doon sa condition or sa ating mismong formation, kung siya ay hard in terms of the hardness, kung siya ay medium or kung siya ay soft. Depende rin po siya sa condition ng ating formation, kung siya high pressure, kung siya ay high temperature, kasi this bottom hole assembly can be subjected to high pressure and high temperature. Okay. The next po is the drill pipe string design. So for the drill pipe string design, basically this is more of sa drill pipe mismo. So yung BHA is from the beat, drill collar, and the heavyweight drill pipe. So itong drill pipe string design, drill pipe is not technically part of the BHA. So meron siya mismong design, may ganyan siyang design. Isolated siya from the BHA. Kasi the drill pipe is more of siya yung pinakamahabang part, no. Actually, parang ganito siya. Kasi ito yung sa BHA, di ba? Ito yung BHA from up to here. Actually, yung paunang part din ng kasama na drill pipe, but the drill pipe is extending up to the surface. No, so the BHA is this one, then the drill pipe is yung nag-extend to the surface. And syempre, we need to have the design calculation for this, yung sa drill pipe and sa BHA design. Okay, so for this design calculation, we are considering yung mga burst pressure, collapse pressure, and yung body yield strength. Later on, we'll be discussing those calculations. Okay. So for the drill collar selection daw, meron daw po tayong dalawang major factor, yung weight and the stiffness. So this stiffness is considered when our well is non-vertical. Pag sabi non-vertical, it is deviated. It could be horizontal or it could be directional. Okay. So yan, I'll be leaving some of the dito. So usually the BHA daw po possible to reduce the time at surface, handling time, minimize the number of connections in the hole, and it minimizes the total drill collars in contact with the wall for differential pipe sticking exposure. Okay. So we have here this concept of neutral point. So actually we have two types: the neutral point of tension and compression, and the neutral point of bending. No? So pag sinabi neutral point is siya yung part ng ating drill stem or yung mismo BHA at which yung in terms of the compression and tension siya ay 0. So that is the neutral point of compression and tension. Kapag neutral point of bending naman, yung bending or yung actual load niya is 0 as well. No? So siya ay at equilibrium, no, at that particular point. And as you can see, the neutral point daw is dito. No. So ito yung neutral point niya kasi yung tension or yung away from the body and yung compression towards the body is siya. Kumbaga there is no presence of either the tension and compression. Kaya siya tinawag na 0. Kaya siya tinawag na neutral. Wala siyang, hindi siya compression, hindi siya tension. Then for bending naman, it is where the sum of the moments naman is equal to 0. Yung actual stresses. No. So that's it for. Then we also need to consider the buoyancy. So buoyancy naman is not you on your end, no. So yan naman ay sa physics pa lang ay nadidiscuss na. No, so buoyancy daw is the weight of the displaced fluid depending on Kasi syempre, sa drill string, bilang naman drill string at hangin yung present dyan, meron po tayong, finifill natin yung ating borehole with drilling fluid. So technically, we are to consider the buoyancy. Okay po. Yun, nag-open. Okay, so we have the BHA design.